I've covered a success story of Tailwind CSS, and in today's story, I will cover the step to get started with Tailwind CSS for your next project. For newcomers, Tailwind CSS is a utility library to provide styling to your website. It's an old school way, just like Bootstrap, of writing CSS, but in 2022 or in 21st century. Tailwind CSS inbuilt support for responsives, themes, UI components, and inline CSS, and that gives it a top-notch and must-use library for any of the front-end projects. So that is why people love Tailwind CSS in 21st century especially. I'll be using Next.js to show how to get started with Tailwind CSS, and using Yarn or NPM, you can directly install Tailwind CSS in your Next.js project. Make sure you have installed Post CSS and CSS loaders to run CSS on the server side, because Next.js runs your entire React applications on the server side, for which you need this Post CSS or configurations or transpilers to run your CSS on the server side. In the root directory, we have created two files. One is tailwind.config.js and another is a postcss.config.js. Both of them are used to configure the Tailwind CSS in server side and used all the utilities provided by Tailwind in the server side applications. Inside tailwind.config file, you can simply add the most basic configurations provided by Tailwind itself, which you can get from their websites. And postcss.config file, which consists of only just 4 lines of code, which again you can copy paste from Tailwind website. The last part is to provide the Tailwind styling to your entire application. If you are using Create React Applications or Create React App Framework, then inside src/index.html folder or file, you can simply import Tailwind configuration. Since we are using Next.js, so we will import the Tailwind configurations in our underscore app.js file inside pages directory. Once these processes are done, we are ready to use Tailwind CSS in our React applications. I've already added the code repository in the descriptions to how to start using it. I hope you like it. Until next time, have a good day.